Children, I welcome you in class 10. I am your maths teacher, and today we are going to start new chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. This is introduction part, and the name of this chapter has three words. First, pair. What do you mean by pair? Second word is linear equation, and third is two variables. Firstly, we will try to understand these words. Okay, so pair means into anything, if we take into, in twos. Okay, suppose that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have to make pair. That time what will we do? This one is first pair and this one is second pair. So pair means when we take anything in twos, we know that this is pair. Now linear equation. What is the definition of linear equation? Already we have read in class 9. Okay. So linear equation, an equation in which power of variable, power means degree, okay? So degree of variable, not power, degree of variable is 1. For example, 3x minus 5 equal 7. Okay, so if we check here degree power of this variable, we can find that here power is 1. That's why this is example of linear equation. And the form of linear equation is ax plus b equal c. Okay, ax plus b equal c or 0. A, B and C all are real numbers. Now here two variables, and variables come from English alphabet, means A, B, C, D, etc. X, Y, Z, okay, etc. Then in this chapter we have to read about linear equation which is in pair and where two variables will be used. Okay, so firstly we will try to understand what is the definition of equation. So equation, an algebraic expression. Have you remember algebraic expression? A combination of constant and variable which is connected by mathematical operation is known as algebraic expression. So an algebraic expression with sign equal to is called equation, or equality of two statements. Equality of two statements is also known as equation. Third definition, an equation is a statement in which two algebraic expressions are equal. Okay. Suppose that I have to write the cost of 4 pence is 20. Okay. The cost of 4 pence is 20. How can we write in linear equation? Let the cost of 1 pen be x. Therefore 4x equal 20. So here these are equality of two statements, because here we have to find cost of 4 pence and cost of 4 pence is already given here 20. So in linear equation form we can write it 4x equal 20. Here important point is this: linear equations in two variables. Okay, then an equation of the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. This is the general form of linear equation in two variable, because here I have used two variables x and y. Okay, where a, b, c are real numbers, a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0, is called a linear equation in two variable x and y. Why do I retain? Why have I written a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0? It means what? Suppose that if a is 0, then 0 into x plus by plus c equals 0. After simplification, what will we get? This part will become 0 plus by plus c. by plus c equal 0. So this is simple linear equation in one variable. Okay, because here value of this expression becomes 0. That's why condition is a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. Okay, so example, this is non-example. This is non-example, and example is 5x plus 7y equal 11. A equal 5, b equal 7 and c equal 11. All a, b and c are real numbers, and in this equation a and b should not be equal to 0. Now in this chapter, first point is pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, so two linear equations in the same variables. If I am using x and y, then in second equation also we can use x and y. Okay, so linear equation in the same two variables x and y are called pair of linear equations in two variables, and the general form is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. And only we have to learn this, the general form of pairs of linear equation. And here a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2 are real numbers. Okay, so the general form of this pair of linear equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. Now move to next point. Solution of pair of linear equations. Okay, so we have two methods to solve this equation. First is algebraic method, and second method is graphical method. And most of the time this method will be used. Okay, but here we have to know about both methods, algebraic method as well as graphical method. I have written one example for understanding better these methods. Okay, now example is Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you. Will be represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So firstly we will show this equation in algebraic form, after that graphical form. Okay, let's start its solution. Children, here most important part, Aftab is older than his daughter. Okay, so if we suppose Aftab's age in X year, that time we will suppose his daughter in Y years. Okay, so let the present age of Aftab means father, be X years. Then the present age of his daughter be Y year. Okay, now situation is this: 7 years ago. It means 7 years ago. We will subtract 7 years from Aftab's age as well as daughter's age. So first situation is 7 years ago. Ago means before. At present, if your age is 16 years, then 7 years ago, what was your age? So 16 minus 7 equal 9 years. Okay, and same process we will do here. So 7 years ago, father's age equal X minus 7 year, and daughter's age equal Y minus 7 year. The 7 years ago I was, who was I? I means Aftab. I was, it means it shows equal sign. Okay, so 7 years ago I was means father is X minus 7 equal 7 times as old as you means daughter. So 7 times means 7 into Y minus 7. Okay, in the statement, if you get was, is, it means this shows equal. Okay, I means Aftab and 7 times as old as you means daughter. Then 7 into Y minus 7. X minus 7 equal 7Y minus 49. So we will write variable part in left hand side. X minus 7y equal minus 49 plus 7. This equals to x minus 7y equal minus 42. Equation number 1. Now second situation is 3 years after 3 years. After 3 years. This is second situation. Okay. So after 3 years, father's age equal x plus 3 year, and daughter's age equal y plus 3 years. Okay, so according to question, now see here question. Also 3 years from now means after 3 years. I shall be, I means Aftab. So x plus 3. I shall be 3 times as old as you. So 3 times multiply in daughter's age. So 3 into y plus 3. So x plus 3 equal 3y plus 9. Now x minus 3y equal 9 minus 3. X minus 3y equal 6. Okay, and this is equation number 2. So equation number 1 and 2 is its algebraically form. Okay, and we have to solve this question graphically also. Okay, so for graphical representation, for graphical representation, we have need of, for graphical representation, we have need of x coordinate and y coordinate both. Okay, and for this, what will we do? Firstly, we will take equation number 1. So, x minus 7y equal minus 42. Okay, x minus 7y equal minus 42. This is equation number 1. So, x equal 7y minus 42. Okay, and now we will solve this for getting x coordinate and y coordinate. And for representation of line, we have need of at least 2 points. Okay, and more than 2 points also we will find. We can find more than 2 points, x and y. This is the equation. So x equals 7y minus 42. It means if we put the value of y, that time we will get value of x. Okay, so in class 9 I have already said you that firstly you will take y equal 0. Okay, but it depends on equation. If you take here y equal 0, it means x equal minus 42, and minus 42 is largest number. Okay, that's why you will take according to situation. So y, suppose that if I take y equal 6, y equal 6, then x equal, so 7 into 6 minus 42. It means 42 minus 42 equal 0. So if y equals 6, then x equals 0. If y equals 7, the 7 7 ja 49 minus 42 means 7. If I put y 8, then x we will get 14. Now equation number 2, x minus 3y equals 6. This is equation number 2. And here x equal 3y plus 6. By using same method, we will find here at least 2 or 3 points. Okay, x and y. Okay, suppose that I have taken here y 0. 300 plus 6 means 6. If I put here y equal 2, 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 6 12. If y equal 4, 3 4 ja 12, 12 plus 6 is 18. Okay, so you will take many points. If you want to take y equal 0, y equal 1, y equal 2, 3, 4, whatever you want you will take. Okay, so here I have got many points. First point, its coordinate is 0, 6. Second point B 7, 7. And third point C 14, 8. and here I have got point D whose coordinate is 6, 0, point E coordinates 12, 2, and point F whose coordinate 18, 4. Okay, and children, one thing comes in your mind. Firstly, we will write here x coordinate after y coordinate. So on graph we will represent these points and these points. Okay, so let's see its graphical representation. For graphical representation, firstly we will divide our graph into 4 parts. X coordinate, this is x axis and this is y axis, and name of y axis is y o y dash, and this is x o x dash. Okay, here I have represented coordinates of first equation a 0, 6. This is a 0, 6. Now b 7, 7. Here b 7, 7, and c 14, 8. So c 14, this is 14, 8. For equation number 2, first point is 6, 0, and 6, 0 we will get on x-axis. Okay, so 6, 0. Second point is 12, 2, and third is 18, 4. So this is 12, 2, and this is 18, 4. And after that we will join these points in order. Okay, and after joining these points, we can see that these two lines are intersecting lines. Okay, if we extend this line in this direction and that line in this direction, that time we will get one point where these two lines can intersect. Okay, so here this is the graphical representation of equation. Thank you. Have a nice day.